Hey everyone, and welcome back to Success Zone. Google Maps is not only efficient in locating a place, but it can also be used to find various services, businesses, and whatnot. It can also allow you to make some decent money. Yes, that is totally possible. Today, we are going to be talking about how to make $100 per day on Google Maps. Make sure you stay until the end, as you don't want to miss what this simple step is that will get you earning in no time. Number 9. Make a PayPal account. When you earn money in cash, you have a real wallet to keep the money. Likewise, when you earn money online, there's a virtual or online wallet, and PayPal is considered the most secure wallet out there. You need to have a PayPal account, register for one, and start sending and receiving money online from other PayPal accounts. You can also associate your bank account to your PayPal one. This would be very useful for when you want to withdraw your money and then add it to your main bank account, after which you can then withdraw it from an ATM if you'd like it in cash. Search Google for PayPal and then click on the PayPal website, www.paypal.com. Click on the Sign Up button if you're new and select Personal Account when asked to choose between a personal or a business account. Enter a valid email address and a strong password and keep it somewhere accessible to you only. Once having a PayPal account, continue watching videos and start earning online. Number 8. Go to Google Maps. Google Maps is used by millions of people around the world to view different locations. As we said earlier, you can use it to search for local businesses. You can download the app offline or use it online through a browser like Google Chrome. We will be using Google Maps for today to make money, and this technique is simple. In the online version, when you open Google Chrome, just go to Google, and then you will search Google Maps and click on the first result. Once in Google Maps, search for your current location. This can be done anywhere in the world. Search your location and zoom in. Now we'll be looking for local businesses in this area where you will earn the most profit. Number 7. Download Chrome extension. Next, you're going to want to download a Google Chrome extension. Make sure you've got Google Chrome ready and installed on your computer. The browser is free and reputable. Once you've got that ready, you want to head on over to the Google Chrome web store. Find the tab on the left that says Extensions and click on that. Once you're on that page, look for the search bar that says Search Extensions. Now type in Facebook Pixel Helper. Hit enter and you'll see this extension will be the top result. This method may have the word Facebook in it, but you will not actually have to use Facebook. You will now install this Google Chrome extension. It will help you spy on different web pages. Now, to install it, look at the tab on the top right that says Install. Click on that and it should install right into your Google Chrome browser. Number 6. Go back to Google Chrome. Now, what you're going to want to do is go back to Google Chrome. Make sure you're set to your local city because this increases your chances of earning an even bigger profit. The thing you will want to do is search for local businesses. You won't be searching for just any old local business though. You're going to be looking for a specific set of local businesses. These businesses will be looking to pay you large amounts of money every single month. These are the businesses that you're going to want to look out for: plumbers, chiropractors, auto repair shops, dentists, and accountants or CPAs. Pick one from this list that you would like to use. For an example, let's say you wanted to choose dentist. Go to your location and search for dentist and then type in your city name. Once you type that, hit enter. And now look at the map. All of the dots represent the potential for high income. You have huge opportunities to earn hundreds a day. First, pick a business. There are several options, but you only need to choose one. Once you click on the one business, there will be a tab with all of the business's information on the left. Most of these businesses will have a website. In the information section, there should be a globe icon, and right next to that is the business's website. If you have the Facebook Pixel Helper extension already downloaded, then you're all set for the next step. Number 5. Go to the business's website. Once you find the information that you need, you will then know what the website is for the business that you chose. Click on the website and then you'll be directed to that page. Look around and check out the site. Here is the most important thing. You'll see that the website has heavy traffic coming in from Facebook via Facebook ads. The way you figure this out is by using the Facebook Pixel Helper Chrome extension. When you are on the website, click on the extension and see if there are any pixels around on the website. If there are none, then that means that no traffic on the website is coming from Facebook via Facebook ads. Some pages will tell you there are pixels found, and others may tell you there are none. If there are pixels found, that means someone is already managing that business's advertising and you should pass on it. Number 4. Approach the business. The next step requires you to reach out to the business. Go back to Google Maps and find one of the businesses that has no pixels on their page. Once you find that, click on them and make a list of the local businesses that have no Facebook pixels. This is how you will approach those businesses and let them know you're willing to help them to advertise. With this technique, it's flexible because you can set your own price range and it will be completely hands-off. They won't have to do anything. You will have control over all of it while helping them to boost their traffic to their website. They won't be able to refuse this offer. This will help them to build their business, all while you get huge profits. Number 3. Go to Fiverr. Fiverr is a great website for freelancers. On this site, you will find people from all over the globe selling their own services. From logo designs to website development, you can find just about anything. Many of these services offer low prices that you should be able to afford. So for this technique, you'll need to set up some ads for the website that you found. Not everyone knows how to set up these ads though, so that's why Fiverr is a great tool to use. For a small fee, you can hire someone to manage these ads. Even when you pay the users, you will still be earning a large profit. Say you paid someone $25 to set up the ads for you, and you charge the website $200 a month for the ads and still make $175 in profit. If you're just getting started, you can charge lower, say only $125 a month, and that still means $100 of profit. Number 2. Reach out to the local businesses. Now, in order to get all of this to work, you will need to reach out to these local businesses, and that's why it's best to have a long list of multiple businesses that need their ads on Facebook. To do this, it is simple, just go on over to their company website and look around for their contact info. You may even be able to find this on Google. When you find the info, look for the phone number and call it. Not everyone's comfortable with calling the business, and that's fine. You can scroll to the very bottom of the page and find the Contact Us button. Click on that and you'll be able to email them instead. Once you get in contact with them, let them know that you are someone local and you are willing to advertise them for a fee. That fee's up to you, but just try and think how much profit you would like to make. Businesses usually love working with local people, and that's why it's best to choose a local business in your area. Another option is to find the business's Facebook page. You can find this on their website or on their Google Maps information tab. Once you go to their Facebook account, you can click on the Send Message button and send them a message directly. They will then see that you're a real person, and you will be very trustworthy this way. Don't just stop at one business though. If you want to head back to Google Maps and find all of the local businesses within your category that you choose, then you will want to head back to the Google Maps page and find other local businesses within your category that you chose. You can even expand and choose multiple categories. Dentist, auto repair, plumber, accountant or CPA, and chiropractor are the most profitable businesses to use. They are willing to pay a fee each month to have someone advertise their company and generate more traffic through Facebook ads. You could be that person. Number 1. Collect your earnings. There are many ways to collect your earnings. You will most likely want to collect them monthly, so let these companies know that. You can also discuss methods of payment, and the easiest one may be PayPal. Let the business know that you accept payment through PayPal and give them your PayPal account email. You can also ask them for a check. Additionally, if you want cash, you can settle that with the company and ask if you can go to their shop and collect the cash for your earnings each month. Find out what works best for you. Thanks for watching. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.